beautiful PC. Snake River. So I guess Wings North had a shooting tournament going on here with disabled outdoorsmen. Fancy ass patio at Marge's. This is not the patio I remember at Marge's from the 90s. Look at that. What do? They cornhole back there?
I don't know anything.
I think that's what they do back there. They're building something there. Big ass set. That's what I need in my bedroom, a fan like this. Oh my god. I need to hit a fleet farm. That's probably a $200 fan.
Yep. Smart fan.
I thought my $80 fan was impressive. Muppies. Lake Pacagama, Pine City, Minnesota. Made it. Made it. Muffies on Lake Pacagama. They call themselves Lake Appeal now, though. Alright, we're out of here. See you, Lake Appeal. Woo! Don't break dance! Lake Pacagama. Katfish with a K. In April. With an A. Where I love fishing right there. Along the Snake River. There's the Pacagama Asylum. Pacagama Lake, the Snake River. It's Jan Mandy's house there. 320 Brewing. Woo! Got a rain adventure. Froggy is PC, Pine City, Minnesota. Acknowledge me. Hey, if anybody is looking for a cabin to buy in Pine City, this is for sale. Flat. You don't have to go downhill to get on beautiful Cross Lake. Nice fire pit, big patio, 2 stories. It's very spacious, lots of layout. Oh yeah, I'm better than a realtor. You don't need to give money to a realtor. Just give me the cut instead. Voila. And this is we don't even have to go upstairs. Big ass garage for your toys. But then I gotta take my shoes off. No? Where's the stairs? Oh, I went past it. Beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. The cabin. So you can do your business. Oh man. Big beautiful patio too. Again, for sale, $6.99. It's gonna go real fast, so you better buy it up. Big beautiful patio. Bonfires and washing your ATVs and you know, watching Bazooka Joe videos on the internet. It's a perfect place for it if you have the good Wi-Fi. And a big monster garage for your Can-Ams and your Fords, and it's a perfect place for your Harley Davidsons and your kayaks. Oh man. Beautiful, just beautiful. But wait, there's more. Ample parking space, so if you bring some ATV friends over, they can back their trucks and trailers in right here. You could probably go 3 deep. Bam, again. You can fit a bunch of, you can fit your toys or automobiles in here, and plenty of them, plenty of them. Again, $6.99 on Cross Lake in PC.
I hear that. Now they're all gonna be fucking coming in and hanging out there.
Where do you think he's getting for all his video games?
Froggy.
Got all for a video game.